Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can reset your password in Indeed job search. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is choose the web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com/and/. Once you do it, you will be redirected to its page where you need to click on the sign in option. Once you are signed in into your account, you need to click on the three lines on the right hand side and scroll down to settings. So once you click on settings, you will get these options where you have to choose the account settings. So once you choose account settings, you will get a drop down menu from where you can see the change password option. So now you can simply enter your current password of your account and the new password you would like to set and click on save password. This will reset your password of Indeed job search. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.